Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the latest updates on the financial markets, as futures indicate a promising start ahead of the trading day. With United States stock futures moving higher, investors are hopeful for continued gains following a robust performance in the previous session. Yesterday, Wall Street experienced its biggest daily percentage climb since November, driven by a cooler-than-expected core inflation reading. This has led to increased optimism about potential interest rate cuts from the Federal Reserve in the coming year. As the market opens, the Dow futures have added 61 points, the S&P 500 futures are up by 23 points, and the Nasdaq 100 futures have gained 123 points. This upward momentum reflects a positive sentiment among traders eager to capitalize on favorable economic indicators. Today, investors are eagerly awaiting key economic data, including retail sales and manufacturing activity reports. Economists predict a modest growth of 0.6% in December retail sales, which, although slightly lower than the previous month, suggests ongoing consumer strength. In addition to retail sales, the Philadelphia Federal Reserve's Factory Index is expected to show improvement, albeit remaining in negative territory. This reflects ongoing concerns about the manufacturing sector amidst uncertainty regarding the new administration's policies. Traders are also looking ahead to weekly initial jobless claims as they assess labor demand trends following a strong employment report last week. These economic indicators will provide critical insights into the state of the United States economy. On the earnings front, Bank of America and Morgan Stanley are set to report their quarterly results today. This follows a series of strong earnings from major United States banks, including J.P. Morgan and Goldman Sachs, which have instilled confidence in the banking sector. J.P. Morgan reported an all-time high annual profit, bolstered by a recovery in markets, while Goldman Sachs saw its best quarterly income ever. This positive trend in bank earnings is a strong indicator of financial health and investor confidence. Executives from these banks have expressed optimism about the future, anticipating more business-friendly policies under the incoming administration. This has sparked an increased appetite for deal-making, which could further invigorate the market. Shifting our focus to technology, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, has reported better-than-expected profits, driven by strong demand for artificial intelligence-powered chips. This signals a significant boost in the semiconductor industry, which is vital for the technology sector. TSMC's impressive earnings highlight the growing importance of artificial intelligence in driving demand for advanced technology. The company is also planning to ramp up capital spending significantly in 2025, reflecting its commitment to meet this rising demand. In the energy sector, oil prices remain muted as they hover around recent highs. This stability in oil prices is influenced by a combination of softer United States inflation data and new sanctions imposed on Russian oil. Recent reports indicate a drawdown in United States crude inventories, which has contributed to bullish sentiment in the market. As traders assess these dynamics, oil prices could see further fluctuations. If you found this video informative, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more updates on financial markets and economic news. Your support helps us bring you the latest insights.